As we kind of wrap this up, I like to ask this question at the end and give you guys a chance to think about it, not put you on the spot. But what I'm going to ask is a favorite memory, something that just stands out for both of you about working together. So think about that for a second. I want to thank everybody for watching this and enjoying this. And feel free to check out both Drs. Tom and Mark McCawley. They're in Fort Lauderdale, amazing periodontist practice. And you can check them out all over South Florida there. If you have any dental needs, please feel free to do a consultation with them and see if their practice is right for you. So that being said, I've given you each a couple of seconds to think about that. And, Mark, I'll let you go first, but any memory that comes to mind?
I mean, my favorite memory is it's become a tradition. Every Friday after work, we go, and also we bring my mom too, because she works at the front desk as well. So it's a whole family thing here. We walk down to a restaurant, and then we have dinner, and then we talk about basically what happened in the office over the week, and then, what we need to do to go through. It's basically, it's a business meeting, but it's great because you kind of get to let off some steam, or, kind of decompress a little bit after, a long week. And it's great to have people that understand exactly what you're going through, because they're in it with you, and we're able to get better from it, and we're able to, plan for the future as well. And it's great because it's fun. We get to have dinner, we get to hang out, and sometimes maybe we'll get some ice cream after too. So.
Her mother, we always get ice cream.
She loves the ice cream. Maybe we can't walk past the ice cream shop. So.
That's part of it.
Nothing wrong with that. After a hard week's work,
after a hard week, we're like, all right, it's hard to say no when it's right there. So
sometimes 2 scoops if it was a really hard week.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah. How about for you, Tom?
Well, I think probably my favorite memory is when I was able to go up on the stage with Mark and give him his diploma when he graduated from dental school.
Mm-hmm.
You couldn't get the smile off my face.
I think you were able to put the hood on me too.
I put the hood. I put it on backwards. I put it over his face.
I couldn't see anything.
No, I didn't.
Put it on right. You put it on right.
I hooded him over his face. The black But anyway, and then of course, favorite memories for us is we go to these national meetings, American Academy of Perio. We go through the exhibits. It's like a carnival, we're looking at stuff. Should we buy this? Should we buy this? It's like a shopping thing. We have a lot of fun going through and look at all the new stuff. We're always looking for something that's new.
Uh-huh.
So it's a lot of fun to just go shopping together with the mom, everybody.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, we get to go dental shopping. There's few people that enjoy going dental shopping except, my family. So it's nice to go with people that enjoy it.
Right. Yes, you're not going to find a lot of people who share that excitement.
Not a lot of takers. No.
Shopping dentistry. Yes. Well, that's great. I mean, there's clearly a love and a bond between you guys that you simply can't fake, and it's just there, and I love it. I have the same feeling with my dad, and so it brings a real big smile to my face to see that after so many years of working together, that you guys just obviously enjoy it. And even though we're dating this a little bit, I will say it is Friday evening, so I'm going to allow you guys to go and enjoy your dinner and ice cream.
We will.
We're
heading now. We got my mom here. She's been waiting for us. She's like, when you guys are done, we're gonna go to this new place.
She's got this new place already picked out.
Picked it out. Uh-huh.
He's like, hurry this interview up, guys. Let's go here. We got reservations.
Oh my gosh.
Well, thank you both so much. And for those of you again, want to check out Drs. Tom and Mark McCawley. It's an easy web address to check them out. It's McCawley.com. That's McCawley.com. And I'd be remiss to say that they're also all over social media and on YouTube. So you can look them up on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, anywhere you like to go on social. And guys, I thank you so much. This was super fun to do. And we'll definitely do something like this again very soon. But until then, everybody have a great rest of your week and weekend. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I
Great job,
appreciate
Corey.
it. Thanks, Corey.